Marriage God's way is being undermined from home and from abroad. We will do all we can to promote the biblical model of marriage as the best way of life for human flourishing. I am also known as a champion for family planning, as you saw boys, and I'm not complaining because I have girls now. And I believe there is a place for birth control in marriage God's way. I want to be clear, however, that I completely disagree and cannot support abortion as a method of birth control. Let us promote life rather than destroying life. And I want to encourage people to produce the number of children they can manage. Church of Uganda Historical Heritage. As Tertullian said, the blood of the martyrs is the seed of the church. Also, Christianity in Uganda was built on the blood of the martyrs, like Bishop Hannington, who was killed in 1885 at Chando in Busoga, the 45 Uganda martyrs, and Archbishop Janani Wum, who was killed in 1977. We want to appreciate the government of Uganda for gazetting these days and for the support towards the construction of the Church of Uganda Martyrs Museum, Namugongo. I call all Ugandans and non-Ugandans to support these historical Christian sites with resources and turning up in big numbers as pilgrims each year. These don't only promote our faith, but also tourism industry.